Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reacting to Niki. She dropped a new music video, Switchblade. Yeah, okay, let's check her out. What? Wow. Wow. Okay. Something interesting is coming. Moonchild. As a Moonchild, okay. Niki, Moonchild.
This is looking like I might just wanna stay.
Love her voice.
Remember much about yesterday.
She's blonde here.
Slow in my stride with every step.
She looks amazing. Oh, so cute.
Rivers flow by the silhouette trees. We skinny dip and soak in all of our past dreams. All my new friends dance so like they're rolling.
Wow.
This place.
Song is amazing.
The skies are vast and no one's a familiar face. But I'm not afraid. Kind of feeling brave.
Wow.
The winds of change have nothing on the switchblade, babe.
Super beautiful.
I'll take it to my grave.
Wow.
The night is young and it's wild. I'm running, feel like a child on the corner of a mountain and a cookie going for miles. I don't know what's coming next. I feel a buzz in my legs, but heaven knows that I'm quick on my feet and good with a blade and some more fashion fade in a place like this. Feeling bulletproof and far from faces I don't miss. So many brand new risks to take, and I'm feeling brave. The winds of change have nothing on the switchblade, babe.
Amazing.
I'll take it to my grave. Ooh. Line and silver, grass is greener, and I'm on my way.
Wow.
Brightest flicker, ain't no quitter, I'll be here to stay. Line and silver, grass is greener, and I'm not afraid.
So beautiful.
Cause I'm running with a
Yes, voice.
switchblade. Line and silver, grass is greener, and I'm on my way. Brightest flicker, ain't no quitter, I'll be here to stay. Line and silver, grass is greener, and I'm not afraid. Cause I'm running with a switchblade.
It was moon in the eye. Yeah. Wow. It's amazing. It's really great. Congratulations, Niki. I liked it very much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye.